Uli, pick up. Now, come back. Defense, in front. Heal us. Hello? Nabig guys. Give us. Come northeast. Come back. Resort. Give us. Hold northeast. I need GA. Kong, I need GA. Ditang sa ready huwag niyong packetin We're gonna kite northwest, okay? Not northeast, northwest.
Miloski, ready demon?
We're gonna kite northwest, okay? We're gonna kite northwest, boys. We're gonna spread northwest, where the mage is. Come northwest again. Ay, gago, layo. Come back. Southwest. Southwest. Basag na ba yung ano dyan? Hindi na tayo makakalabas din. Come northwest.
Crystal.
Wala ng crystal, okay. Level 6 to, diba? We're gonna burn here.
Repair the walls, Ditang.
Ditang repair the walls. Ditangs only. Defense front, don't die. Heal my front line. If you don't have defensive, don't go front, please. Repair the wall. If you don't have clerical, get out the wall. Heal me, please. Shallow only, hold on. Patingin ako dun sa likod baka basag na yun dun Defense ready. Yo, I need guardian armor dun sa sa umuulan Ready on this choke. Actually, we're gonna use damage. Come northeast. We're gonna wipe this other zerg. Come northeast. We're gonna use damage. We're gonna fully wipe this with fuckers.
Go inside.
Go inside. Let them walk.
Reso to.
Double OC now. If you need to double OC, food check as well. If you don't have food check.
Liberation ng Northwest ha. Konti na lang yung nagbobong lang.
Basag.
Yes. Spread northeast. Huwag kayong sumilip-silip dyan. Wala akong call na sumilip kayo dyan, men. Ayan na naman kayo Pinapangunahan nyo ako Nandito yung caller Sa pa amin yung mga nakita ko kanina.
Killers, don't go front!
Looking!
Kill my front. Ba't nasa labas kayo? Why are you outside, Fioro? What's your role? Come back northeast, come back inside. Why are you outside? I'm not telling you guys to go outside, man. Come northeast again, motherfuckers. We can't hear anything, man. Everyone wanna fucking pick, bro. Everyone wanna fucking pick. For fuck's sake. Soldier. Sino yung nagbubukas, gago? Tang ina. Uy. Putang ina officer ko. Iceman. Ayusin mo. Come northeast. Yung bad type in boys. In my front. Go
Don't
northeast.
get away from the wall!
No need to pick. No damage.
Don't
Go
pick!
northeast. I'm gonna call for you. Go northeast. Just go northeast. Just go the fuck northeast, man. Just stay northeast. Just chill.
Call out mo, pangalan boss, call out mo.
Just chill the fuck out.
Ulit man.
No need to hold the wall.
Pistol pa to.
They're pulling.
Just chill my tax. They have bomb squad. Ang gago.
Looking.
Binubomba na lang
We're pulling them in, boys. We're pulling them in.
We're pulling them in. So you go northeast with the mage. You stay with the fucking mage.
Mabasag yun Basag.
They're not gonna fucking attack this today, man.
Pag nabasag yan, mag-engage yan.
Maganagat ng kami na. Gago ang tanga na itong mga to, ba't yun yung binabasag nila gaan? Napakasikip din eh. Hindi sa nagadaan, legit.
Nga mo, kaya
Ang bobo. Dapat sa north sila eh. Tanga-tanga na
Northeast,
ito.
South, Top, DP.
Ayusin nyo, akam northeast. Huwag nyo buksan yung gate pa masayang oras nila kahit pa paano. Careful front, careful front. No need to drop anything at the front, just leave them be. Pati itong isa, nandun sa may northwest yung gagawin nyo boy. Mga ingat, be careful on the northwest side they might bomb us.
Boys, pwede.
No, there you go. I don't want you guys. Defense ready, defense ready, defense ready. Stop them. Stop them. Defensive, defensive. West side, west side, west side. Hold them now. Hold them now, hold them now, hold them now. Hold them now, hold them now, hold them now, hold them now, hold them now. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. Big clamp on the fucking gate. Big clamp on the fucking gate. Taas delete now. Come back. That's it, boys. Come back. Don't loot anything. Don't loot anything. Come back. I don't care about the fucking loot. Just come back. Come back. Spread northeast again. Spread northeast again. Yeah, spread northeast again. Mga engot yan. Hayaan nyo. Kamis. Sino may tanks? If you don't have defensive, don't go front, please. If you don't have defensive, don't go front. Don't fucking peek, man. Stabilize at the back. D-tax, be careful front. If you don't have their cowl, stay more a bit. Pull them here. Dig, pull them here. Why are you at the stairs? Pull them here. You need to pull them, man. Just pull them, boys.
Going southeast. They're going to break southeast gate.
Okay. Saan sila? Basag na?
South.
Gago, wipe ko to. Tangina nyo ha. Wait lang, man. Mawipe to.
Liberation
Gago
West
nila
side.
yun.
Liberation West
Sige,
side.
man.
West side,
Sige,
ano ba to? Cheater.
Inside na sila. Ipupulan over natin to. Hindi to brawlers eh. Soldiers.
Food check kayo, wala kayong
Mga
photo.
liberation, pinapatay lang yung mage natin sa yung mga guards. Sa may west.
Wishing east side.
Food check kayo.
Saan yung liberation? May ginawa yung liberation. Come west, saan na?
West.
West side,
May bumumpa sa nila, may bumumpa sa nila.
Yo, pastan. Come west now. Stand them. I need scout fishing.
Scout.
Tell me, they moving.
They're bunking.
Come northwest.
Bongeng, silbong.
Come northwest.
Pushing northeast.
Come back now. Come southeast now. Come northeast. Come back northeast. I need 1 D-tanks on this side. We're gonna focus fishing. Tatakbo lang to. Just be careful in their engagement. DPS, remember not to fuck up, man. Don't go front, please. D-tanks, if you don't have defensive, don't go front. Ganun pa din. May mage ba dun? One more, boys.
Okay.
Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Now come back. Come back.
Mabasag na wall sa northeast ha.
Sige lang. Gusto ko na i-full wipe to, putang ina mo. They broke the gate already. Defense front. Nabi. Heal my front. Hold them. Come back west.
Nice kid.
May napatay kayo? Gago, may namatay oh. Southeast side. Gago, gusto ko nilabasin.
Nabomba sila ni Fish Puppy.
Come southwest fast. Come out southwest fast. D-tank stay there. Some D-tank stay there. Sige lang, wala. Come northeast now. We're gonna full push them. D-tank start pushing. D-tank in. D-tank hold them. East side. Oh. East side, shallow only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow only. On the tanks. Delete this tanks. Now come northwest now. Come northwest now. D-tanks hold the gate. Come northwest again. Ano to? Ba't bukas na naman yung gate dyan?
May nagbubukas
Tangina!
eh.
Ay, gago. Lumabas sila. Come northwest, come northwest. Saan na yung liberation?
Sila yun. Liberation yung engage mo.
Na-stop
Wishing
namin dun
outside.
sa ano, pumasok
Ay, lumabas yung wishing. Saan na
May
yung wishing?
nagbubukas ng pinto.
Hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here. Come to me, come to me. Come to me if you're not scout.
On the scout talk!
Nasaan na yung ano? Nasaan na yung wishing? I need wishing. Lumabas ang puta.
Sa ano, southeast.
Sige lang, hold lang. We're gonna chill, man. We're gonna chill. They're gonna fuck their own, man. Masabi saan sila?
Liberation in northeast
I told you to bring extra food. You guys not fucking listening since earlier, man.
They're clearing
I don't
out
care
our
about
gate.
the liberation. Where's the wishing?
Liberation east.
Southeast.
Southeast is wishing?
Southeast wishing. Northeast liberation.
Nasa labas. Balik na kayo dito.
Sa labas.
Basta na yung gate sa northeast na wishing dito.
Bumalik na kayo dito. Ba't ang dami yung scout dyan? Quetox, mamamatay ka pa dyan, men. Come back here. Come back west. D-Tanks, come back. Let them come. Hellfire, why are you? Ay, gago, bomb squad.
O nyo na yun yung tok-tok. Ano na?
Nakita naman siya, grabe naman yung patay, gago.
Tayo sa Elper.
Bakit nung ka nag-engage? Ay, shit. Ay, gago, patay yung ano.
Patay bomb squad natin dalawa.
Ang baka mo, don't kill Jordan! Alay, gago.
This is Jordan!
Pinapatay siya ng maps natin.
He's done only.
Don't kill. Ako mamamatay.
Pag pinugutan niyo yan, times 2 rigger niyan, tangin na, block ka.
Doon, pukpuk.
Ano yan?
Yan, gago!
Wala kayong Hurricane, isang healer nga. Kamoys, ba't kayo nag-stack din lahat, men? Kamoys!
Hindi marareawik yan boss, hindi mo ka-party.
Pwede Hurricane yan, kalaban, Hurricane ko.
May healer yan.
Pwede ba?
May healer yan eh. Ayun, okay
We're going
na.
northeast dyan.
Pinch na healer ha, come southwest.
Oy!
Spread west, man. Why you guys on the fucking
Hello,
wall?
nga.
Why are you guys in the fucking wall? Come west,
May
man.
naka-NP.
D-Tanks, come here as well. Defensive front. Niloloko lang nila sarili nila, gago. Come west. Namatay si Jordan.
Nag-engage sa akin.
Come back west again. We play safe, man. We play safe, boys. We have the mage here. We have a lot of
They're
guards here.
clearing na.
Come west. Let them come. We're gonna full wipe them.
Inggi ba? Nag-inggi ha?
May nag-invi bomb, Tang Yuan. Sa west.
Invi bomb. Sa west. Hold.
Ayan, oh.
Ito yung nagbubukas ng
Saan?
Wala lang, E6 lang.
Sulfur now.
Mm.
Uy, grabing bomb.
Nasa west yung liberation na.
Uy, gago, binomba. Paila ko. Northeast. Hold them. Northeast. Ready to push. Hold. Taking lead. Just hold lang. Ba't nakapasok yun?
Nag-ENB, full.
30% na lang. Pabantayan niyo sa likod ko. Ayaw ko magbobomba sa akin. Bam.
Baba. Nice.
Defense. Northeast, east side on this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On him. Damage shit. Come back. Come back now.
Dito, nabasag. Southeast mo
Come west. Ano to? Liberation?
Oo,
yes.
Good job. Just come west. Defense. Heal my tanks south. Okay, mag-deep tanks. Come west now. Come west, it's fine.
West, man, west!
Come southwest, boys. Come southwest. Ano yun? Ibang party yun?
Basag na.
I need scout on wishing. Come southwest. We're gonna pull out.
Pasok na wishing.
Wishing.
Come southeast. Nakapasok na? Come southeast.
Engage.
Yeah, come north again. Why someone dying, man? Come northeast, come back now.
Nag-engage
Come back
yung
now.
wish,
Come back now. We're gonna full wipe them now. Hug the north wall. Stand them. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the fucking north. Bigla mo na north. Spread west again. We're doing good. Spread west. Don't clump. Demon, heal my front. Demons, heal my front. Heal my front, heal my front, heal my front, heal my front, heal my front. 15 seconds, we're gonna engage. Hold them, hold them, hold them. I need detox on south, I need detox south. Come back west, come back west, come back west, come back west. Come back west lang, come back west. Sige, we lost one guy, we lost one guy. Come west, come west. Come west, come west, come west. We're good, we're good. Stabilize west, west. Stupid fuckers, west side, west side. There's a lot of space west side. I need detox west as well. I need detox west again. I need detox west.
Looking.
Come southwest, come southwest, come
Going,
southwest.
going,
We're gonna push these guys, ah. Defensive ready, defensive ready. Hold them, hold these guys, hold these guys, hold these guys. Defense front, north, defense north, defense north, defense north, defense north, defense north. Come north now, hold them, hold them, hold them north. Hold them north, please, hold them north, hold them north. Hold them north. North, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On north man, pa-engage sa north. May CS, north. Big lang po north, big lang po north. Who's my DPS? What happening, man? Come back south. We're gonna reposition south. Southwest. Stabilize southwest. Ditang at the front. Enemy looking. Defensive. Northeast ready. Start them now. Hold them now. North 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the north. Big lang on the north, man. DPS, hello. Tangina naman, hindi kayo makahabol. Come southwest, you're fucking too slow. Come back south. Stabilize. Spread south. Spread south. I need defensive tank west. North now ready. Detanks north. North now, hold them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the north now. Ang laki na sa north, man. Defensive pa. Damage, please. We lock damage. Come south. Tangina, ano ba yan? Wala na ba? Taon DPS?
Trigger fast.
Wala akong maano, tangin.
Come south. Stabilize. We're gonna use the meat again. West side. Kill this. Looting mo. Damage yun yung 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On west. Come back northeast. Regear fast.
Full back na yung switch ka. Wishing star going out.
Regear fast.
Yo, don't loot too much. Boys, don't loot too much, don't get overweight.
Wishing northeast. Run fast, man. My regears, faster, please. Someone died from them. I think their caller. died.
Posible.
Tayo nyo nga to.
Rat.
Tigil ng mabilis, man. Malang caller kalaban. Pabilisan yung mga ano ko. Come to us. The caller died.
Ito yung southwest
Come to
open
us. Man, my regears, man. You died early. You need to be here. Expanse now. Fast, man. For fuck's sake, faster.
May bagong vlog.
O si Putya ka.
City lang yan.
240 tayo. We're gonna hold this. Come southwest. Huwag nung sabihin maunahan pa kayo ng caller.
Ba't tayo inaano nagtangyuan?
Ewan ko dyan, tangina. Easy nga, Frank. Magkakampi ata yung gago na yun. Come west, wag niyo habulin yan, sir. Wag niyo habulin yan. Wag kayong parang tangan na nahabol ng habol.
Enemy in the northeast now. Northeast.
Nasaan na yung regear ko? Where's my regears, man? Hello? Come south. Detanks good? Detanks party good?
I have 3. 2 depth tank.
Where's my detanks? Fast, man. It's fucking 2 zones. Enemy caller died, man.
Dahil ang caller to. Boom.
Boss, pwede natin full push tong nasa baba. Yung liberation.
No man.
Southwest. Liberation sa southwest.
Southwest?
Ano ka lang tong southeast,
Yeah.
ha?
Come southwest. Wala nga akong tao, wala nga akong DPS. 4, men. Saan na yung DPS ko? Tangina namatay na.
Wishing going in.
Ayaw po DPS ako.
Defensive east side. Tangina tong mga nag-live na to. Defensive east side. Defensive northeast, northeast. Spread. Left tongue spread. Where's my fucking DPS? Hello? Come back, man.
Puta yan na DC.
Shopping pa kayo?
Wishing going in.
Ang tagal na. Dito na yung caller ng kalaban uli.
Yung caller.
Baka naman.
Aroy. Ito na yung
15
caller, si
minutes
Libby.
na.
Si Libby.
That's their color, oh.
Sayang.
Wala eh. Hindi ko
Low
nakita.
in, low in,
Come
low
back
in,
west.
low in. No. Okay.
He's my friend. He's my friend.
Look for the bomb squad sa southeast.
Back west. I need ditang west side. Okay?
They're looking,
Isang
they're
ditang
looking,
yan,
they're looking.
yan.
Looking
Looking
na,
na
boss.
itong kalaban.
Looking na.
Come out. Pull them to mage. Pushing
Pushing na
Ready
rin yung
perch, ha? Ditang, mag-engage sa inyo yan. Ditang, man. Engineer, kanina ka pa, man. Ano ba yan? Spread west, man. Ano ba yan, man? Ano ba naman yan? Fake engage yung isa nila, yung skull yung main engage, ha?
Si Golem.
Halata
Pwede natin
naman
yan.
kasi kayo. Nagtalakot kayo doon. Pag wala kayong defensive comeback.
Pushing na. Ready, demon.
Left tank west, ha? Left tank west. Yung wishing muna tayo. Wishing tayo. Defense front. Heal my front. Looking na sila. Looking na uli. Come west more.
Ito yung color.
Engage sa akin, ha?
Come west more. Palapitin nyo sa mage. Come southwest more. South more. Laki sa south, oh. Laki sa south. Cheater yung nasa west, man. I need one ditang on the west side, ha? Sino yung ditang sa west side? Okay, Big D. Defense looking. They're looking. Stop them. Hold for now. They're gonna engage. Defensive. East side now. Hold them east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Big lang puta. East side. Come west now. Heal my front. Come west. Ready defensive. Dili kita ko sa kanila. Engage ako nito, ah. Ready defensive. Careful now. Defense. Yellowski, don't die. Nice one.
Ay, die.
Hold now. Love ya, dive. Wait. Ay,
Demon boss.
Hold down. Figure fast. Come south. Looking again. DPS niya, looking. Yan na naman itong mid. Parang tanga dun sa gitna, oh. Galaw, bobo. Ay, gago, lumayo. Tanga. Hold. Looking again, D-tanks. Hold them. No, that's fake. They're gonna engage again, ha? They're gonna engage again. We're gonna wait for the mage. The mage is going to us now. Defensive. That's bomb. Careful. In my front. Defense. East side no hold. No. Heal my front. Buy time now. We're just buying time. We're not gonna engage yet. We're gonna do solid engage on them. Just spread west. You can spread north, oh. Big D, kaya mo dyan. Big D, okay ka lang. Come south now. Looking sa north. Come south. They swap, boys. You need to be fast. Umalis kayo agad dyan. Come south now. Looking now. Hold them. Defensive man. Hold them now. Hold them north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big lang north. Boys, big lang. DPS man. Go. DPS. Wala bang DPS? Tangina naman. Heal my front. Biggest. Take the biggest. Come southwest. Defensive. Wala na. Try kami. Wala nang DPS. Putang ina yung mga hindi kayo bumalik. Sino itong mga hindi bumalik na to? Get out. Tangina, kaya to, hindi kayo bumalik. Namatay lang tayo isang beses, ha. Huwag nyo nga i-gear yung mga one life na yun, maliban sa na-DC, ha.
Ako na-DC ako doon, boss. Nag-error Alvin ko puta yan.
Itong nasa party ko lang i-gear ngayon, ha. Umalis kayo agad. Tawid kayo.
Buhay pa.
Yung mga nasa party lang i-gear, ha. Sobrang shit ng tao natin. Isang one lifer. No re-gear for fucking one lifer, man.
Patay ako ng Sigma Wall.
Peace.
Ba't wala akong DPS? Ano nangyari sa DPS ko? Kayang-kaya i-wipe yun. Wala na akong DPS, sir.
30-month lamp. 30-month lamp.
Ito lang, ano dun?
Ang laki ng pala. Walang DPS. Kung puta. Wala kasi si Doming, eh. Si Doming kailangan, eh.
Yung sa huli, di namasa sa DPS, sa mage namasa eh. Kasi walang DPS.
Hindi na ba ma-upgrade to? Pwede pa to i-upgrade dati. Yung mga guards, ang hina kasi ng guards natin, eh. Yung sa loob.
DPS.